Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check which applications have access to your health informations on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down, tap on privacy and security. Once you're here, swipe down and tap on health. And here are going to be listed apps and services that do have access to your health. As you can see, as apps and services who has permissions to update your health data, they will be added to the list. So, as you can see, we do have some applications here. Not all of them do have the options to manage, as you can see, but for example, in the Honor Health, we do have access to write steps and to read steps, as you can see right here. So, as you can see, you have also the uninstalled apps that have ever been on your phone and have had access to your health informations. So, this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!